One eternity later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Leto and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos. Merry Christmas. I'm guessing this is Boxing Day, so you might see this like some days after. Yesterday I pretty much spent it with my friend. She had a couple of friends over and we just like played games, ate, watched TV and all of that. I didn't vlog, but today I'm going out with some of my other friends, and for the first time I'm going to be on a boat. So we're going for like a boat cruise thing, and the idea is we're some snacks that match the color of your outfit. So you're going to pack my bag. So I'm going to be wearing a black dress. I will show you in a minute. And yeah, so it was difficult to get black snacks. I mean, I should have gone for something easier, but black snacks was kind of weird to like get, but I got some and I would pack them shortly. But let me show you my dress first. So guys, in the spirit of Christmas, I got this Alice band or whatever, yeah, and I wore it throughout yesterday while I was out. And I think I'm still going to wear it today just because I think it's cute. I don't care what anybody has to say. I actually think it's cute. People have been making all kind of comments. I feel like why is so much drama, but I love it so much. So here's my dress. It's a simple black dress which I'm going to be wearing today, and yeah, so I'm going to be packing my black snacks. Let's do that. So guys, see the snacks I got Pringles, I got this, I don't know what it is, chocolate, of course there's black here, so I bought Tom, I bought Cocoa, I bought these black crackers, I bought Monster Energy, I bought Smirnoff, and I bought Pepsi, and I bought Coca-Cola because I mean I chose a black dress, unfortunately for me, or is it for unfortunately, I don't know. These are things I chose, and let's pack them. I'm all packed now, and I think I'll just dress up and get ready to go. So guys, this is my full fit. How can I show you my full fit? Let me adjust this a bit and tilt it down. So yeah, this is my full fit, and I'm going to be pairing it with these because it's a boat cruise. Doesn't have to be so serious, right? So that's what I'm going to be wearing. And let me show you the box I packed. So yeah, see my bag or my box of treats for the boat party or the boat cruise. So yeah guys, see you. I'm out. Pretty girl. I like a bad people. Hi. Hello. How are you? Yeah. Hi. Okay. Hi. Let's go. So. That's exactly what it is. Yeah.
The more you know, the less you see. Many times it's way my money.
Well, pretty much getting settled in, and our host with the most, whose big head you can see, was probably just getting everyone introduced because I only knew 3 people on the cruise. I met every other person on this particular day, and it was so much fun. So yeah, I met Ochoa. Of course, I knew Susan, like you guys saw earlier in the video. Then everybody was just getting accustomed to the entire scenery. Is there sun on your bed? No. There's always you too. It's Ibuku that gave me confidence. Because she just casually standing up. Ibuku, yeah. What the? Let me rest my back. It actually took me editing this video to realize how many times I danced during the course of this entire cruise. I just kept dancing because I was so excited. And I think my favorite thing about this entire thing was how less scary it got by the minute. So initially I started out scared to stand up, scared to stand so close. Ibukun was fearless the entire time. Felt like she had done this before, which was crazy. She was standing without any fear whatsoever. I was so scared. I was like, what if I sleep? What if I? But when I got confident I became unstoppable, and it was a totally fun experience.
Me too. I think it was love weekend. Not love weekend. I think it's me.
Make I no believer. We will be just sinner. Baby, that's where you find die. Baby girl, now you because design no I lie. I go face they shine, now so your shoes they shine. Now you go give me that. You got to be my wife.
Okay, let's go.
Ogechi, come on. Ogechi, Ololufe, I need your love, I know your love is your man. Very funky money matter. All of us confidence singing rubbish.
Why is it big in our boat? People in your own boat. That's how our boat
Now our boat get me fast. Stay my mind.
They have in their own boat.
Anytime. I don't feel denied. This thing keeps coming up. Ogechi, come on.
Okay. Shall be careful.
He bounced. Bam, bam, he said.
Hey, okay.
He bounced. Bam, bam, he said.
Same more. But they use hard guests to mark out. scared. Go, girl. Be scared.
That's where we came from. That's where we came from.
Okay, I can see you now. Now that's say cheese.